Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Asim and welcome back to another of my courses. So before we even start the course, I'd like to thank you all for joining this amazing course with me. I'm really happy to be your teacher for the next few classes and to be able to help you learn about this new platform that is called ChatGPT that will make your life way easier. So I hope you will have as much fun learning about this topic that I did, and you'll see it's gonna be pretty fun. So basically this course will be about ChatGPT. It's a tool that have been launched a few weeks ago. So it has been created by OpenSea. It works on a neural network. This tool has been in production, if I'm not mistaken, well, not the tool itself, but the technology is a technology that OpenSea has been working on for almost 10 years now. So they had GPT-2, GPT-3, GPT 3.5, and now we have ChatGPT that works on GPT 3.5, that is a language model. So in this course, we're not gonna talk about the theory of how it works and everything around it. We're gonna talk about the tool itself and how to use it. So you'll see it's gonna be pretty fun, and I hope that you guys will enjoy. So, what exactly is the goal of this course? So my goal here with this course is really to introduce you to AI and to ChatGPT and to help you understand how this tool works and how you can make the best of this tool. In other words, how you can use it for your advantage and to be able to create amazing things with it. So instead of spending hours creating something, just being able to ask it and it will generate what exactly you need. All right. It will give you a clear understanding of what exactly it is and how you can use it. So by the end of this course, as I said, it's not going to be a lot of theory, so you will understand what exactly this is. But my goal is really to teach you how to use it in the best possible way. So this way you guys will be able to do whatever you want with it. Let me just give you a few examples. So let's say you're at work now and you need to write down a text about something or a report about something. Well, instead of writing down the report yourself, you can just ask ChatGPT to write it down for you. Write down the topic, then the subtopics that you wanted to talk about, and it will generate you a complete report. If you want a one-page report, you will get a one-page report. If you want a three-page report, well, it will generate you a three-page report. So as you can see, it's really amazing. And you can do pretty much whatever you want with it. So it's gonna save you hours of your time. You'll learn and understand all the ways that you can use GPT on a daily basis. So ChatGPT basically is a tool that you can use. You can use it instead of Google. Maybe not for now, because with Google you have access to the website itself. But what exactly ChatGPT does? It takes all the information of the internet and it will give you the most complete answer possible. So instead of just copying and pasting text from the internet, it will generate you a personalized text since it's built on a neural network. So it makes the links together and it will generate you the information that you guys need with all the sources and everything. So in my opinion, if you guys need to do research about something or things like that, ChatGPT is way better than Google. Well, for now, well, maybe not better, but way more efficient. So it's definitely more efficient, hundreds of times more efficient than the traditional Google search that you guys are doing. Not only it's more efficient, but also it allows you to generate articles. So instead of writing down the report, it will write down the report for you. So it's efficient in its search, and it's also efficient to write down reports and the output that you need to generate from those researches. So it's really amazing. All right, so what exactly will be the course content? So first of all, we're gonna start the course with an introduction. So this is what we're doing right now. I'll just present you the course, talk about what exactly you guys will learn through the course. Then we're gonna go, well, in the next class we'll have the account creation, the platform presentation. So I'll do a quick presentation about ChatGPT and how it works. Then we're gonna have your account creation. So take note, to be able to create your account, you will need two things: a cell phone and a Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, so an email address, it's gonna go. Then they will ask you to verify your cell phone. So if you're able to have a cell phone, it's perfect. This way you'll be able to verify it and have access to all the information on ChatGPT. Well, have access to ChatGPT itself. Then you will have a presentation of various ways that you can use ChatGPT today. So there is, as I said, hundreds of ways that you guys can use it. It's really amazing. And a few ways that we are going to talk about in this course. So first of all, we're gonna write emails with ChatGPT. We're gonna write articles with ChatGPT. We're gonna write Instagram descriptions or ads descriptions as well. We're gonna generate keywords. We're gonna do math exercises. We are going to write code. We're going to, well, all those things. And not only this, but by the end of the course, we are also going to create some pictures. So maybe not with ChatGPT directly, but with another tool that is used with, well, that have been created by OpenAI. You'll see, it's pretty cool. It works pretty much the same way as ChatGPT, but it's for pictures. It's not perfect, but it's slowly getting better. That's what I can say about this tool. So what exactly will you learn? You'll learn how to use ChatGPT on a daily basis. So you'll see how it can make your life really easier. So instead of spending hours searching about a certain topic, you will be able to have search results in seconds, which is amazing. You will be able to perform any research and write articles in minutes instead of hours. So let's say you're at school right now, or you're in your university or whatever. So no matter the subject in which you're studying, you need to do research. So you need to do research, you need to generate, well, you need to create articles, you need to, well, write down reports, write down the results and everything. So how exactly does it work? You have a topic, you do a Google research about the topic, then with your topic you create subtopics, you need to write down text for each of the subtopics, write down your sources, and it will take you, well, days to do so. So it's normal, it's your session project, I've been there, I know what it is, it's long, boring, and it's stressful. With ChatGPT it's completely different. So you just sit down, you ask it to write you down a text about a certain topic. It will generate you a personalized text with all the sources in the text. So everything will be generated. So yes, of course you will have some work to do, but it's way more efficient than doing the search by yourself. So everything will be automatically generated. You just have to read through it. Check out if everything works fine. If you don't like the text, simply ask it to rewrite the text, so everything will be rewritten again. So it's really as simple as this. So instead of spending hours searching, hours writing, then correcting yourself, then asking your teammates or friends to correct you, correcting their part, it's pretty simple. You just take the text, write down the text, well, take your topic, ask him to write the text about the topic, everything is written down, you submit the text. So it's really as simple as this. Instead of spending hours working, you spend 1 or 2 hours max on it. So it's really amazing. It reduces your operating costs, and if you're a business, you will have less costs by needing less staff to perform simple tasks. So let's say you're a business and you have a blog. So you have 1 or 2 persons that are writing down your blog. So you don't need those people anymore. Why? Because you're able to generate blog posts by yourself with ChatGPT. So you just write down what exactly you need. The blog posts will be generated. That's it. As simple as this. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to use. And instead of paying someone to write down blogs for you on a daily basis, you just generate them by yourself. So you'll have the same quality blogs or even better that will be generated in minutes, and you'll be able to post them each and every day. Same thing if you need to write down emails. Same thing if you need to write down ads. Same thing if you need to write down to create daily reports. So all this can be automated and created in minutes instead of spending hours on work to create those things. So as you can see, it's really an amazing tool. So As I said, in the next few classes, it's gonna be all practice. So now it's a little bit more theory and talking about it since it's the introduction. But in the next few classes, we're gonna get right into it, and you guys will be able to play with it. Also, we are going to learn how to use it in an efficient way, in order to use it in the best possible way and to get the best possible results and generate the best quality article possible. So I hope you guys will like this tool. I personally love it. It's amazing, especially for programming. So if you guys program in any programming language, you know how complicated it can get. So me personally, when I write my code, it takes me hours to correct it and make it perfect. Now with ChatGPT, it takes me minutes. So instead of working 7 or 8 hours on something, it takes me 1 hour. So I create my code, I correct it with ChatGPT, the code is good to go. I need to change a few things, I can ask it to change those things. What I can say is that it's not perfect yet with code. It creates great code, but it's not always simple, in the sense that it creates some complicated code sometimes for no reason, instead of make it as simple as possible. But once again, in my opinion, in the next few months, it's gonna get better and will create more efficient code, if I can say it this way. Besides of that, it's really amazing. It helps you a lot. It corrects your work, it corrects your code, it can generate your code. So really an amazing tool. I hope you guys will like it as much as I did, and you'll see it's gonna save you hours. So this 1 hour course will save you hours in the future, and I hope you guys will love it. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.